Claude Code just told me why my DAX measure is broken. It read my actual Power BI model, ran the query, and answered in 12 seconds. This is new. 2 months ago, Microsoft shipped this, and almost nobody is talking about it. Here's what it does and why your Power BI workflow just changed. It's called the Power BI Modeling-mcp server, open source, MIT licensed, shipped by Microsoft itself. It's public preview, not GA, but it works. The server runs locally and gives any MCP-aware AI agent 20+ tools for reading and editing your semantic model. Think tabular editor, but driven by Claude or Copilot in natural language. Install is one line. You add it to your Claude Code config, type Claude MCP list to confirm, and that's it. No global install, no Azure app registration, no PAT. First time you query something that needs auth, it shows you a device code. You sign in once with your normal Microsoft account, and the token is cached. If you're already on Power BI Pro, you have everything you need. No Fabric capacity unless your model already required it. The free Fabric trial covers the rest if you're testing. Demo 1. The model is a real profit and loss report. I asked Claude to list every measure and flag the ones without descriptions. 0 out of 47 measures have 1. Every single measure is documented only by its DAX. The AI knows because it read the TMDL. That's the text-based source format you get when you save your report as a Power BI project, .pbip instead of .pbix. If you're still on the binary PBIX, save as first. 5 seconds in desktop. Demo 2. I asked Claude to map every relationship in the model. It calls the relationship tool and returns the whole topology. 7 tables, 2 active relationships, both fact to dimension, both single direction. The other 3 tables, P&L layout, PL view, scenario view, are disconnected helper tables for the calculation engine, the kind of audit that takes 10 minutes in tabular editor, done in 12 seconds, 0 clicks. Demo 3. The hero. I tell it a measure returns blank for 2024 and ask why, without showing it any data. It connects, reads my model, inspects every column type, every relationship, the revenue measure's actual DAX, even the M code that builds my tables. It doesn't run a single query. It doesn't need to. It maps 4 possible root causes: a stale partition, a missing relationship, a date table that doesn't span 2024, or a hard-coded filter inside the measure. Ranks them by probability, names the most likely one with the fix. That's debugging from metadata alone. What it can't do: touch your report visuals. The pages, the charts, the bookmarks, those are in the PBIR side of the project, not the TMDL side. For that, you want the workflow from my last video, PBIP plus skill.md plus Claude Code editing the PBIR JSON directly. Link in the description. What this kills: the round trip from Power BI Desktop to DAX Studio. The hour spent reading Stack Overflow answers from 2019. The Slack thread asking the same broken measure question for the 100th time. Claude reads the model, runs the query, names the bug in your IDE. If this saves you a debugging session, that's the channel. Next video drops at 7 tonight. Microsoft also just made Power BI right back to your database from a button. Translytical task flows, real demo, fresh Power BI report. Subscribe so you catch it.